If you ever leave me, baby,
Shoot!
leave some morphine at my door.
Catherine.
'Cause it would take a whole lot of medication
No,
to
I'm
realize
Elena.
what we used to have. We don't
I'm Damon.
have it anymore.
I don't know what I want.
Well, that's not true. You want what everybody wants.
Tell me, what is it that I want?
You want a love that consumes you. You want passion, and adventure, and even a little danger. I'm Damon, Stefan's brother.
You didn't tell me you had a brother.
Obsessed with numbers. 3 numbers. I keep seeing 8, 14, and 22.
I just have to say it once. You just need to hear it. I love you.
Stefan?
No, I'm mad at you because I love you.
Well, maybe that's the problem.
And I get lost. I'm always pissed off.
It's a nice act. Any of it real?
People die around you. How could it not matter? It matters and you know it.
Phone to the house is compelled to not let me in.
I can get in.
You're not going in.
I'm going.
You're not going in there.
What are you doing?
It's a stone. Solid backbone.
Please don't hurt him. Where I have to go against every single thing that I believe in again because I love you.
Then stop loving me!
I can't.
Well, that's the problem. We don't work.
I know. That I've made. This will prove to be the worst one, but I am not sorry that I'm in love with you. I love you, Damon. I love you. Promise me this is forever.
I promise.
I thought I'd never see it again.